Hi, and welcome to another episode of What's Wrong with My Truck? Um, so I have a Dodge Ram 1500, 5.9, 360, two-wheel drive, Magnum breather, yada yada yada. I love her. Alright, so when I start her, she makes a very odd noise. So what I'm going to do, because I'm trying to limit how many times I start her because I don't know what's wrong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place the phone camera under the truck and see if we can see. Maybe help you guys be my eyes or help me with your eyes. And maybe it'll get the sound a little better with the camera under there. So I'm going to stop rambling. Alright, here we go. I'm going to put the phone under the truck. And then we're going to turn the key and see if we can capture that sound. I'm not real sure what that sound is. If anybody knows what that sound is, please help me. I love this truck. I don't want to get rid of her. I just want to fix her. So if anybody knows what that sound is right as she's starting, that wah, after she starts or as she's starting, I could really use help on finding out what that noise is so that I can address it, fix it. I don't want to hurt her. I just got her transmission worked on. She is shifting beautifully. Help. Thanks.